So Amber went to the veterinarian clinic down the street from her house and created the chart below. So at the clinic, there were 5 cats, 7 dogs, and 2 rabbits. So the first part is, what is the ratio of cats to dogs at the vet in 3 different forms? So, and then it says write a ratio comparison statement to describes the ratios written. So how many cats we have? 5. 2, how many dogs? 7. So we know the 3 ways we write is 5, 2, 7, 5:7, and 5/7. And remember, our ratio comparison statement is for every blank, there are blank. So for every 5 cats, let me spell every right, there are 7 dogs. The next question says, write the ratio of rabbits to all animals at the vet in 3 different forms. Then write a ratio comparison statement to describe the ratios written. Okay, so rabbits to all animals. So how many animals are all at the animal clinic? So we have to sit here and we have to add them all up. So we have to sit here. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So it's 2 to 14. 2, and then we can 2 colon 14, and then 2/14. And then remember our ratio comparison statement. For every blank, there are blank. So for every 2 rabbits, there are 14 animals in all. Okay? Don't let, when they ask for all or total or anything like that, stump you. Okay? Because you're smart and you know that means that you have to find how many are there in all. So you're adding it all up. Okay?